Fortnite Wrapped 2024. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to check your Fortnite Wrapped 2024, here is how you can do it. Like the Spotify Wrapped, Fortnite Wrapped gives you a breakdown of your 2024 adventure from how much you have played each season to how much victory royals and kills you have earned. So step 1, open any of your preferred browser and go to fortnite.gg. Now from the navigation bar, tap on Stats and click on 2024 Wrapped. So once you click on 2024 Wrapped, it should take you to another page. Hereby, you will see different leaderboards such as levels, wins, kills, and the time. So this way, you will have the details about the top player along with the level, wins, kills, and the time spent. If you scroll up a bit, you will see a section to search for your Epic name. Since I do not have a Fortnite account, so I'll be using this other's account. So for this, you can just type in your Epic name and tap on the search button. This way you will get a personalized Fortnite Wrapped. It consists of the total hours spent, the matches played, the wins as well as the kills. You can also view your most played season by percentage of the playtime. Additionally, you can save the image or share it if you'd like to. And this is how simply you can view your Fortnite's Wrapped 2024. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.